Hello, I'm Nancy Puga, and I want to create a quick tutorial for you on how to build your own Google site um, to promote your portfolio with ISTE coaching standards alignment. First of all, you're going to want to go to Create New Google Site, and then you can name your site with your name. And then you're going to want to go under the Publish bar and insert your pages. And your pages will incorporate a reflection tab where you reflect. And then tabs for each of the standards. So you'll have the Change Agent standard, which is the Coaching-ISTE standard, Connected Learner page, Collaborator page, Learning Designer page, Professional Learning Facilitator page, Data-Driven Decision Maker page, and your Digital Citizen Advocate page. So all you do to do that is you go down to Pages and go at the bottom where the little plus sign is and just add and name your page. Then I'm going to go back to the sample that was provided for us. This was an educator portfolio for ISTE standards. And on the home page, you want to include your welcome screen where you pretty much give a brief overview of what your purpose of your portfolio is. And in my case, it's to provide effective examples of technology tools and resources that can be used in the classroom and that align with ISTE standards. Then you want to create an About Me with a brief overview about you. And then under each tab, you'll want to include the standard, the ISTE standard, with the set of objectives for each standard, and then artifacts that you created that fall under each standard. So how you're going to go and do that is you will go back under your insert after you've created your pages, and you will insert what it is you want to submit as an artifact. You can insert a text box where you will include your information text. If you want to embed something like a URL resource link, that's a good resource for future coaches or educators. You can just go to Insert, Embed, and copy and paste the link and insert it. You can also insert artifacts from your drive, documents, or things of that sort that you've created, files. You just go to your Google Drive, click on it, insert it, and it'll go in there. If you want to insert something from YouTube that you created, like a screencast video, a tutorial, you would just go to YouTube, insert the link, select it, and it'll pop up on your page, just like this person did here. And then they can just go directly to the link and play it. So Google Sites is fairly easy to maneuver. That's what I love about it. And it's a great way to build your portfolio, create it, include your artifacts as you go along in your learning process, and then use it to promote yourself for future employers. It's a great Google Suites tool.